We're heading down to Scarista Beach, I think it's called. Very famous golf course. This way as well. Come on Pixie, stop being a pain. Pixie's showing herself to be quite a wooze about going and things she doesn't know anything or has had any experience of before. I'm not hopeful that I'm going to get her up Cape of Val. I would get up absolutely no problem myself, but Pixie Girl is not of a mind to be obliging at the moment about too many new experiences. I'm hoping she's going to love the beach. Come on, Pixie Girl. Looking over to Cape of Val. As I say, I'm not entirely sure that Pixie's going to be in agreement with our doing this. This is absolutely glorious, as I think you can see. Quite magnificent. And I've been so lucky with the weather. You just can't ask for better than this. I'm wearing my Harris tweed jacket. Back to Norton. Just walking along, there's so many little shells and fragments of shells, and this is apparently what makes the makia, which is the fertile land around the coastal areas. But when the shells get washed up in the makia, it sweetens and fertilizes the land, and you know, as you can probably see looking down at the sands, you can see my shadow no doubt more than anything else actually. I wish I had put my shades on there actually. The sand is such a brilliant white, and with the white shells it makes it quite dazzling on your eyes, to be honest. There are sheep about in the dunes. Pixie's absolutely showing no interest in sheep, but I'm going to keep her on the lead anyway. She's at least walking. Come on, Miss Pixie. Yeah. What a beach, right? Look at the colour of that sea. It is just plainly magnificent. I really truly haven't been anywhere in Scotland. I mean, you quite honestly feel you're in Thailand at the moment, you know. I mean, I don't know if you can see the colours that I'm seeing. Come on, Pixie, come on, stop being a little wuss. Let's go down and see the sea. Yeah. Come on, Pixie. Come on now. Oh, come on. Pixie! Come on, Pixie!